If you have a fraction to subtract from whole number, it is very easy. Instead of saying find the LCM or find the other one, simply do this. Remove 1 from this whole number, it becomes 2, and then come to the fraction. Say the denominator, subtract the numerator from it. That is 5 minus 2, which is 3. And we still remain the same denominator. Why do we say so? Remember that this number 2/5, that if you want to get it as 1, it will be 5/5. 5/5 is also the same thing as 1. So when you subtract 1 from 3, you have 2. Then you subtract 2 from 5, you have 3/5. That's the answer. You come here, say 4 minus 1, which is 3. Then you say 3 minus 2, which is 1 over the denominator, which is 3. Come here again. 5 minus 1 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. Still retain the denominator. That's the answer. It's very simple. Let's find the answer of this one, the number 4, in the comment section. Thank you.